back with another video from my Addicted Blogging channel. So I have the Amazfit Active Edge, which is a newly launched smartwatch from Amazfit, and in this video I am going to unbox this smartwatch and see what is there in the box. You can see the seal is still intact, and with this we will get to know what actually comes with these boxes of Amazfit smartwatch. So first of all, I want to tell you guys that I have ordered it from amazfit.com, their official website. So we will see what's inside and a quick review of the watch in this video. So as always, this will be a sick video guys, and if you're at enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Here are some of the features which this watch comes with. The highlight is military grade toughness and also trend-setting dual-color design guidance by Jape Coach, and also there is 10 ATM water resistant and 5 satellite positioning system and route navigation. So let's unbox it and see what is there inside. So I just unboxed this and you can see some of the things which is there. The first thing is the watch, and you can see the watch is really well made and there are 4 buttons. So we will see in the later videos what are the functions of these 4 buttons up there. And let's now turn on the watch and see whether it is turning on. So let's remove the protective film, and you can see asking me to download the mobile app, which is the Zape app. So we will do that later on, and also we'll see what are the things that are there apart from the watch in the box. So there is a mechanism to open the box which is slightly different. So there are 2 compartments. We'll get some of the instruction guides in here, and also we will get a charging cable, I guess, and the charging cable is same as other Amazfit watches which are new in here. So it charges pretty quickly, the watch. For now it looks really good, and you can see that I have this touch response which is really fast. This is the boot animation you will be getting while starting on the watch, and the Zape OS is the main highlight of this watch, and you need to just select which language you are comfortable with. I have selected the English language, and after that I will just click on this tick sign. Here I need to just scan this QR code to get this watch connected to my smartphone. So here is my smartphone and I have opened the Zape app. I will go to the profile and here click on add, and once I click on add I will select the watch. I will just click on do not sync, and here it will just open the scanner, which is the scanner with which I need to scan the QR code, and you can see it is connecting the device once I just opened and scanned it with my phone. It is showing a tick sign in here, which means it is ready to pair, and in the watch also you can see I am getting this tick sign, which I will just click, and it is telling me that it is pairing and it is now paired successfully. So this is the first look of the watch, and you can see the watch is really well made as it is having the military grade toughness, and apart from that the viewing angle is also good in this watch. Let's see what else we are getting. So I will just decrease the brightness a little bit because it is too much for this watch, and now you can see it is really looking good on this Amazfit Active Edge smartwatch. We are getting the basic functions like the torch, night mode. So this is really fast and smooth, and we are getting some of the other functions or details also like the other smartwatches of Amazfit. Once I swipe up, I am getting all the widget cards which I can definitely change as per my choice. So if I click this button, it is landing on the weather, and maybe that is how it is configured. This button is giving me the app list, so whatever app I want to open I can open by clicking this button. Watch really looks good. Let's see some of the watch faces also, what else we have got. So there are really good looking watch faces that you can set on this watch, and definitely one of the really good watch you can buy right now if you are a fan of Amazfit smartwatches, because it looks different and also it has that military grade toughness in this watch. So that's it guys, I just wanted to show you a quick look of this Amazfit Active Edge and how it looks, and definitely I will be making more videos on this watch in the coming days. so that you get to know all the functions of this watch. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.